guys, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Desiree. Glad to see you here. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of Pinterest inspired outfits. So I'm going to look at a photo that I found on Pinterest and try and recreate it with items that I have in my closet. And they're not all like identical. I use Pinterest for a ton of style inspiration, and I'm going to show you guys kind of the process that I go through when I'm creating an outfit from something that I've seen online. So the first outfit I'm already like kind of dressed in. Basically the girl has a pair of light wash jeans, and I honestly have a pair that looks almost exactly alike. And then she has a high neck, just white tank top on, which I'm wearing here. And then she put on a like royal blue sweater over her shoulder, and I actually just thrifted one that matches perfectly. So yeah, and then she has Air Force Ones, which are pretty easy. But yeah, anyways, I think this is a super cute outfit. I love like the pop of color with the light wash denim, where it's kind of just like a white on like almost white but not quite. They're super like light wash distressed vintage Lee jeans. I don't usually do a lot of color, but I feel like in this case the color is more like subtle and fits really well. Up next I have a picture of a girl in a flannel, and then just like a white tank top and sweat shorts. And so I feel like I can create this pretty easily. I have more of like a light colored flannel, I don't have a dark one, and then I also have like a chain necklace, so I'm gonna put that on too. But yeah, I just had the basics, the sweat shorts, the tank top, and then the flannel. Okay, so the next outfit I'm super excited about. She has a like matching blazer pants set on basically, and then this kind of like blue top, and then she's a blue purse. I don't have any colorful purses, so I'm gonna skip the purse, but I have basically on a blue top in a very similar color to hers. And then I have these tan pants. Here's the finished outfit, and I'm just wearing it with some Air Force Ones, shadow. This is super pretty for kind of just like a nicer day, whatever, but I love the color combo of this kind of beige and blue. Okay, this next outfit, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about. It's a photo of Bella Hadid. And at first I looked at it and I wasn't exactly sure if I could recreate it, but I have the perfect brown jacket. It's actually my sister's, so I probably wouldn't be able to wear this out, but I was able to recreate the outfit. I would probably put on a few more gold necklaces with this. Anyways, what she did is kind of just had like a high neck bra moment, and then I just rolled down my pants a little bit because she kind of just like showed off her torso, and she has a brown jacket on over. So this is how I'd recreate this outfit. This outfit I feel like I can recreate, it's not going to be the exact same, but it's going to be kind of similar. So she has on these like cream colored jeans, so I'm just going to wear the tan pants that I was wearing in the last outfit, and then for a top, she has kind of like a white corset style top, and I'm just gonna wear this top. I actually cut it from one of my old short sleeve shirts, but I kind of like how it looks, and it's a little bit of the corset style with like the seaming. And then she has a black belt and black shoes. Now I don't have good black shoes to wear with this, although I do have some shoes that might look cool, but I'm gonna put on the black belt. Have the shoes on. Anyways, I feel like they definitely complete the outfit. So yeah, this is how I would recreate that photo. The next outfit is pretty easy to recreate. I have kind of those types of pieces in my wardrobe. I decided to grab a purse though, because she has a purse in the photo. But basically this is the finished look. My shorts aren't cut off, but I figure since they're like the long Bermuda length that it kind of matches the style of the photo. And then I just have on a nude top from Urban Outfitters and the same linen blazer that I had on in the earlier outfit, and this is thrifted. And then I just have a little purse that is also thrifted. And then I'm wearing Air Force Ones with Nike tall socks. For the next outfit, it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna throw on a graphic tee. I don't have a white one, so I'm just gonna use this Lana Del Rey one. And I have on the same shorts that I was wearing. Again, I might use cutoff ones ideally, but these don't have a cutoff, but they are the longer length like in the photo. And then I just have on my Nike tall socks with my Adidas sneakers, because those look more similar to what the person was wearing in the photo. But I feel like this is another really cute summer outfit. Tucking it in like on one side is kind of good because it just adds a little bit more shape. This next outfit that I found, I'm super excited about because I was looking for a way to wear these shorts, and I'm honestly like, I feel like this is the perfect way. So the girl basically has a white, hers looks more like linen button down on, and then it's like half tucked into these knit sweater shorts. And so I have these brown knit sweater shorts that I used, and then I just tucked in my long sleeve button up that's thrifted. The shorts are from PacSun, and I feel like this kind of matches the vibe of that photo perfectly. And I'm just wearing it with Nike tall socks, Air Force Ones. This next outfit is pretty easy to recreate, I'd say. I have leather pants. I don't have loose ones, they're more fitted, but I feel like it'll still work. And then it looks like the girl just has a basic black tee on, so that's what I'm gonna go with. And then she looks like she has Converse. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones, and I'm gonna put on a purse. Here's the finished outfit. I love like the all black look with the leather. I think that a colorful big bag would look better than just the black because everything else is black, but this is all I have, so this is what I'm working with. The last outfit I'm pretty excited about. It's basically, looks like the girl's wearing a black sports bra, black leggings, tall socks. I have shoes that look similar to that, and then a like ribbed zip up and a canvas bag. Here's the completed fit. I'm wearing tall socks, Adidas sneakers, and then the zip up, and black leggings, black sports bra, both from Lulu. This is thrifted, like I said. And then the canvas bag my sister gave to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this, and I'm so happy to be back in a space where I can film outfit videos for you guys. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Desiree Sullenberger. I'll put it down here, as well as Pinterest to see my fashion board inspiration. Also subscribe and comment what your favorite outfit was, and if you'd like to see any other formats of videos. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!